Welcome back to my channel. What this video is going to be about is a quick way to improve your photography using the Prism. On Instagram, a lot of people are creating pictures just using windows and glass, and not a lot of people know how. That's what we're going to talk about today. So myself and Blake, the guy that's behind the camera, he's going to be the model today. We've got our bit of glass, we've found the location, and the location basically is a mirror just in the city with a neon sign. That's all you need to do this. This is Blake. By the way, I'm sure if you've seen my vlogs before, you've seen him. Blake's going to model today. Cool.
Done that before.
yeah. So we've got the mirror, we've got the model, we've got the glass. The other thing you'll need is obviously a camera with preferably a prime lens, a fast lens, with a low aperture, because obviously if you're going to be doing this at night, you want to get loads of light into the camera. Yeah, so just to show you real time what actually happens with the Prism, I'll bring it up close to the lens that's on the camera now, and you'll see the effect that it has. So basically that is the kind of effect that you'll get when you take a picture. What you can see there is how obviously the Prism bends the light around the lens, and when you take a picture, you're obviously capturing how it looks on the sensor. All you're gonna do, guys, when you're shooting is put the Prism directly in front of your lens like so, move it around until it's lined up with what you want to shoot, and then snap away. As you can see, obviously the way it reflects and looks on the picture is quite a cool thing. It's really simple to do. It is night, it's definitely not summer here in the UK, it's absolutely freezing. But another thing you can do that's a cool look is if you've got glasses, put glasses on your model, and then the reflection of the LED reflects into the glasses, and that's another thing you can show off in the picture. And that is it, guys. That is all you do to take these kind of shots. So simple. This, I can't remember the exact price, but on Amazon they're around $10 to $20 US, £10 UK. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to grab it from that link. You'd be really helping me out because it's an affiliate link. So yeah. Mate, fucking R8. Film the R8, bro. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button if you like this video. I can do many more like this. Drop a comment in the comments below. Let me know what you think to the video. If there's anything you want me to talk about photography wise, because this is my full-time job, we can talk about that. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.